plastic welding with the SH72, and yeah, it's kind of effective. The tip I'm using, it won't focus. Yeah, it won't focus. Probably not the best tip. I probably could have modded that a little bit, but stay put. Yeah, so I basically cut out the sections with the blade, just kept scoring. Then sometimes I get beside and back and forth. Not that quick though, and then cut some strips for filler material where I needed. Mostly could just fold over this and fill in, but I did use some filler around. But yeah, not the prettiest, though. This can add a fill-in piece. But I think that's going to be solid enough. I probably could spray something over there to clear coat it, or maybe in Plastidip dip or something. I don't know, Plastidip would be the best thing, but that's close enough. Now this is going to be the challenging. That was practice. This is the final frontier.